Hello guys, it's me and I'm back on the channel taking unbox with a new video. As you can see over here, I have the Samsung Buds. As you can see, of white color. It has a 6-hour playtime, clear call quality, wireless charging, and designed for comfort and stability. So let me open the box. So here are the main product and the accessories of the product. As you can see, so at first we get is a box in a box. So let me open this. And there are some user manuals and a warranty card in this, as you can see over here. Let me keep this aside and see the other contents inside this. So here comes a USB to C type port over here. As you can see, this is a good feature in this. Let me keep this aside and check out other things. So here are some extra earpieces in just in case we lost the old ones. And let me keep this side too, and let's take out the main product over here. As you can see, let me unwrap this. And as you can see over here, this is the Samsung branding. Let me focus this to you guys. And here it opens and the buds are fully charged. As you can see, it is showing the green indicator. So here, as you can see, there are charging ports, and here is the USB port and some instructions given below. Let me keep this aside and talk about the buds. As you can see, it has wireless charging option. And then let me show you the place from where it gets charged. Here are the two golden spots over there, as you can see, and this is a sensor, the black one, and the little hole is a mic. As you can see, it has an external mic and an internal mic, as you can see over here. And these are the ports, as I said you before. This go in and the ports charge. And so let me connect this to my phone and show it to you guys. So I have fast forwarded the setting. We have to just install an app and set up. So let me quickly set this up and be back to you. As you can see over here, I have set this up, and it shows some instructions over here for a single tap and double tap over here, and even triple tap. As you can see, place instructs or answer and a call, and triple tap to play the previous track. And there is a long hold over here. We can set this below, as you can see. Let me show it to you guys. And this, I have set it to a voice message. As you can see, if I long press it and the Google Assistant switches on. As you can see here, we can set up. We actually have two different setups for both pods over here. We can set this up as we wish. And then we even can check the battery of the both pads, and we can find this. If our pods are missing, we just can find this by clicking on the search button. We can find both of them. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.